was serving in the military 20 years as a airplane and helicopter mechanic. I wasn't planning on getting out the military, but I sat home with tons of knowledge and information I wanted to share with others, especially Southside Chicago, where I was born and raised. Once I got the opportunity to teach what I've learned in the military, I jumped on it. And that is my main objective and my goal for working here. It's not for the money, it's not for anything else. It's so I can relate to the student, help them get through, and just to let them know that there is a great reward out there waiting for them. I wish I had this opportunity 20-something years ago. I'm very happy to be part of this because this is my community. I love teaching here and giving this opportunity to others that would not have had this chance and this opportunity.